Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. So today we will see how we can transform this simple Elementor form to a modern look form with image picker. So basically here we are going to set images for this rose, flora and tulip. So make sure you have Elementor Pro installed, because without Elementor Pro you cannot use Elementor forms. So make sure you install our plugin. So let's see how you can find our plugin. So just search image select fill for Elementor, and here you are. So basically this is our plugin. So you can just simply download it from here, or you can also find in Google, WordPress repository, WordPress plugin repository. Anyway, just make sure you have installed properly, and then just click on this editor, this form editor. And I hope you already know that how to build a form in Elementor. So let's start. So I'm assuming that you have already a form as well, so let's start from this. So just at first we are going to apply image picker in this field set. So this is our field, so make sure you give an proper ID here. Also you can copy this one as well, but for a better consistency I will rename this. Or I can select flowers, and now I'm navigating to these sections. So you can see this here is a tab called image select field, and you have to click on this enable. And I want to give you a disclaimer here. This plugin will only visible in the front end area. It will not load it in this editor area, so don't be afraid. So at first we have to just simply paste the ID here that we have given in our field. Now we have to select or upload images. So I have so I have 3 images here. Okay, I upload it. Okay, so I think you just make sure this number of, like, if you have 3 items or 3 options here, you need to upload 3 images here. Okay, also just rearrange the images according to this this flow. So we have rose, flower and tulip, so just making sure that these are same. So rose, flora and tulip, I think it's okay, it's perfect. Okay, if you navigate to down these sections, you will see there is some multiple controller. So you can see the icon adjustment and icon size, modalize your radio and checkbox. Okay, we will see this later. Let's just click on this publish and see how this looks like. Okay, so you can see it applied, but it's not in a single row. So what we can do, just click on this field and we can make this inline list. Great, so it's showing perfectly. So now you can see we have image, we have this little tiny checkbox, so you can adjust the size here. I'm not going to change it at this moment. You can apply the apply this or you can scroll this to adjust, or making the icon bigger, and you can adjust the size with this. And we have this another button here, so for this too, basically it for checkbox and radio. So if we just simply click on this and apply changes and just see the view, then you can see it replaced by a modern looked checkbox and radio. So what we can do to make them in line, we can go back to the field and we can check this inline list. You can see, okay, so you can see this icon is not aligned to the text. So what you can do, you can just adjust this value from here. I think this 20. Okay, you can try it by yourself. I'm not going to try it now. So, and also what you can do here, like if you select any items, then you can see there is a the background color and the box shadows. So what you can do to change this color, you can just select this theme color, like I am checking with this one, so it makes similar with the button. You can see it changed. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for your watching.